Hello everyone, good morning and happy Monday. So today I want to take you on a little journey on how I edit my videos. I know a lot of my friends have been asking me, Jane, how do you edit your videos? So I'm going to take you on this short journey today on how I edit my video on Canva. So one good thing I like with Canva, or I like about Canva, is they have a free version where you don't have to pay. And I haven't paid on Canva since a year now. I just started my subscription like a month ago. Before this time, I have been using their free version. I wanted to get myself acquainted with their system. Unlike other websites or other apps that you have to pay from the get-go, the good thing with Canva is you can get yourself acquainted with the system, before you can, I want to pay for more features. So I'm going to show you what I do and how it has been working for me. As a side note, I'm not a professional. This is what worked for me, and that's why I'm making this video, this little tutorial, so you can see how I edit my video. So I forgot to mention this. At the start of the video, I was supposed to do this, but it just escaped my memory. So what you do first, you go to canva.com, and when you on their home page there, you're going to click on this video right here. If you don't click on this video, you can go to this here. This is a blank page. So you click on that, then this is what is going to pop out. When you click on this, this is what is going to pop out. So now you can go on upload. This is upload right here, where you go and upload your videos that you've already saved in your drive. So when I click that, this is my videos that I've already saved on my drive. So when you click on it, then it will come here. It will take a little bit of time to upload. That one here is image, and here is the video. This is my video that I already uploaded here. Then you're gonna put it on Canva, or you're gonna put it on there so that you can start editing right here. So I'm gonna click on it. When I click on it, I'm gonna drag the video with my hand. I like to drag it with my hand because that's how my computer works. So I drag it like that with my hand, and I come over here. Today we're going to talk about start creating now. So my video starts. Are you ready to unleash Let me see. The ideas you have in your head? So my video starts right here, where my video starts. Hello everyone, welcome to JSP Business Talks with Jenny. So when I want to split, I click on there, it will split. Then I go back. If I want to write my name, I click on this, then I type my name. Jenny. Then I bring it right here. If I want to change the color, what I do is I do effect, then I drag it up here, then I'll come here and do maybe change the color if I want. And that's how I edit. Then if I want to add like a transition, so I click on that. You see what happens when you add transition to it. So you choose which one you want. If I want that one, I just click on it. Then towards the end also, this is towards the end here. So you see how my hand is showing there. If I don't want my hand to show, what I do is I click on it so that it will split. Then I click back, and I delete the video. I delete the video. Then whatever you want, you can add to it. This here, if I want to put my picture, If I want to put my picture, what I do, I still come to the upload here. Then I go to image. I already have some pictures that I downloaded. So I can, if I want to put this picture here, what I will do is I will go, my picture is right there. So I will go to edit photo. I want to remove the background from it. So this is what I do. I click on it. So it will remove the background I have. My background is removed now. You see, my background is removed. So what I do is I always like to use my finger because it makes it easier for me. So if I have any picture, or if I have anything I'm gonna put there, or sometimes I put my book there when I'm editing my video. So that's how I do. And also, if you want to change, let me see, if you want to change the color of your video, if you want to make it a little bit more brighter, you can go on this and make it a little brighter. You can reduce the intensity of it. I usually keep the intensity around 15 to 20 if you want, because sometimes when I record my videos at home, it's not that bright. So that's how I edit my video. So what I do is I come here where it says share. Oh, let me show you some other features too. Okay, so I think I'm going to make another separate video for, like, if you want to take picture from Canva. These are some free pictures that you can take. So you see where it says this pro, those are professional for people who pay. So you can use that. The ones that don't have pro on them, you can use them on your video, but if it has a pro, you cannot use them. So those are the free versions that I was using until I got myself acquainted with the system. So this one right here, now I'm done with my video. Let me go back. I'm done with my video. Let me show you how it plays.
Hello everyone, welcome to JSP Business Talks. Today we're going to talk about start creating now. Are you ready to unleash the ideas you have in your head? Whether you are an artist, a writer, or a singer, or any
so you just run your video and make sure the things that you don't want in the video, you can cut them off and remove them. Then what I do is I come back here where it says share. You see where it says share right here. So I come there, then I go to upload. Oh no, sorry, I go to download. Then I will download this video. So when I download it, it will go back to my Google Drive. Then from there, I will upload it to my YouTube channel. So I think I'm going to make another video on how I upload my video on YouTube channel, because some of my friends have problem doing that, especially some of my friends that want to start their YouTube channels. So I'm going to be doing a little bit more of this tutorial so you can understand how I've been doing with my YouTube channel. You can get this done. Trust me. When I started, I was like, I won't be able to do it. This is just too much. But in the process, I learned that whatever you put your mind to doing, you can achieve it. You can achieve whatever you want to achieve in life. So go ahead and follow the process and let me know what you think. And please like and subscribe to my video. Give my video a thumbs up. Also, if you haven't already subscribed to my YouTube channel, please go ahead and subscribe. Thank you so much. I will talk to you later. Bye.